Hello guys, welcome back to AGL Nation for a quick tutorial. Sorry I have not been posting lately, that is my bad for being so dang lazy. If you've ever wondered how to uninstall something that isn't uninstalling right, so for example, if you were to go to control panel or something and you can't fully uninstall, like, I don't know, an editing software, for example, like I had an issue with, because there may be some H keys or something in registry editor that are still there and still label it as on your computer and whatever. So in the link in description you can download iObit uninstaller and it works really great. It's free. So if you wanted to uninstall something, it opens up really quick. You just go to all programs or recently installed or whatever. So if you're kind of a new person and you don't really know how to get rid of like viruses well, you could find another way to get it in here. So you could like go to recently installed and see which thing you want to get rid of. So I want to keep all those, but let's go to something I don't really care about. Let's get rid of this. You'll just click this or uninstall. So go ahead and click that and it'll uninstall everything that has to deal with it, including registry keys and stuff. So it'll also open this. It's just a kind of a shortcut instead of control panel, but way more efficient too, so you know what exactly is getting deleted. So I'm a big fan of this actually. So it'll go like that, and I don't know what the hell this is. Something attached to the program, but yeah, then it'll just uninstall it efficiently and thoroughly, and you should be good. Everything that has to deal with that program is gone. So just wait a second. It's taken a lot longer than usual. I think I have like a Bluetooth connected and it's lagging my computer, but let's see. So that's uninstalled. And it also uninstalls registry keys, so let's try and uninstall something with registry keys. I have no idea what the hell this is. But, launch it. Yeah, I would not know. I would not happen to know what that is. So, let's, by all means, uninstall it, because it could be a vital program. But let's see what it does. Yeah, sure. Oh boy, what's all this? Okay, but we don't know that yet. Let's see what this thing picks up. That seems to be doing some work. It may just like this. Just be fun. We'll see if it can do registry keys as well. Just wait a second. And there we go. See, there's some more files that it didn't pick up on, and from time to time you'll find registry keys as well. So hope this helped, guys. Peace out.